Hello.
Okay, so we're trying the Popeyes spicy chicken.
Yep, this is the box right here in this bag. Yep, it's our thumbnail.
Really good box. Oh, the sauces. We got the, what sauce did we get? Buffalo and sweet heat.
Yeah, this is the sweet
heat sauce. Oh, maybe I should have
sauce.
asked for more. I didn't know there was that.
Right there. And buffalo sauce. Sweet heat's personally my favorite sauce.
I haven't been to Popeyes in over 10 years, so I don't know what I like.
Yeah, and I usually just get the sandwich, so I haven't had the chicken in a while.
Back up.
All right, let's dig in.
Did she give napkins, by the way?
Yeah.
I'm gonna need them.
She gave a ton of napkins.
Good, because I'm gonna need them.
Now she's, yeah, here you go. Here we go.
Let's show them.
Yeah,
Oh my god,
show
it's
the
so
people.
heavy. We wanted to get 6 pieces, but it was more economical to get 9. So we'll have a midnight snack tonight.
Yeah.
Or Razeen will just have a bunch right now. We'll see.
Eat them all. Yeah, so you wanna, I'll let you do the honors. Take them first.
Oh, I'm gonna open up my sauce. Now that I think about it, I don't know if buffalo is appropriate for fried chicken, but whoa, this is like real buffalo sauce.
Yeah, it's very red. It's right there, yep.
Shoot. It's just very messy,
It's
whatever.
very crumbly. That was my stomach. If you could hear, you probably couldn't. All right, let me take a dip of your
It's good sauce.
buffalo sauce.
Good chicken too.
Yep.
That's good.
It's crispy. It's juicy. Has a kick.
Oh yeah, I need to take a bite without the sauce.
The sauce actually works. I didn't think it was gonna work because it's already spicy.
It's like a really thin sauce. I like it.
Yeah, it's good.
Also, I like this thing. It's really crispy. It tastes like chili oil. The sauce.
What you get at the Asian restaurants?
Mhm.
Yeah, I can see that actually.
I feel like that's not a cayenne-based sauce. Unless I needed to shake it and all the oil is just at the top. If possible.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, it's not like a regular buffalo sauce.
It's better. Honestly, I like it.
Yeah, I think I like it better too.
I'm glad I got that sauce. It's really good. Okay, where can we put the bones? I want to put them back in the box. In the bag?
Yeah, a second.
Okay.
Hold the... So this started with me wanting to get Korean fried chicken. It was too far.
Oh, there's your pie.
And we realized that Popeyes is the next best option.
Is that ketchup? What is that?
Hot sauce.
Oh, sick. I want
More
to try
hot
that hot sauce.
Yeah.
Oh, that chicken from Popeyes. Not sponsored. What's this? A wing. This is a measly wing. I must say. I could easily have more than 2 of these. I don't know what I was thinking.
That's what I was thinking too. I was like, this chicken's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
I want more than 2.
Well, I knew I'd want more than 2, but I thought they'd be bigger, I think. Uh-oh. Can you hold the sauce, please?
Yeah. Ooh, they gave us a breast. Nice. So I heard their breast is different because it's apparently still juicy, which is unique. So that's like a standout feature of Popeyes.
Yeah, because usually I don't prefer chicken breast.
Yeah, so I'm gonna try this breast. Rip off a piece.
Oh, careful. There's no flat surface there.
Made a flat surface. Alright, try this breast meat.
I need one of those sauce holders.
Mm-hmm. Pretty juicy. It's not dry. Flavorful. It's pretty good.
Can I try a piece? Ah! It's so hot! Okay, maybe I'll try a piece in a little bit.
I rip it off from the side.
Oh wow. Oops. I dropped some breading in there. Oh wow. Very good. Very moist. Juicy, juicy. This is really good.
Mm-hmm. Don't you think it's underrated? Don't you think it's underrated?
I feel like I don't really know fried chicken ratings.
No, like as a fast food place.
Oh, but aren't they? I mean, maybe. I don't know. What fast food places are rated?
No, I'm saying Popeyes is
last
not.
piece.
It's not considered like a top tier
Oh,
place to eat. You know, only recently I think with the
I
chicken
think
sandwich.
because it's just fried chicken. Or what is it actually? What do they got?
It's just a fried chicken place.
Yeah, so then maybe that's why. How's this sweet? Oh. I want to try that.
Yeah, so this is my favorite sauce. I just think it goes well with the meats.
Oh. That's good. It's like,
It's like teriyaki kind of thing.
mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's good. Oh my gosh. I just washed these pants.
I feel like I'm getting crumbs all over your car.
You are.
It's okay. We'll munch on that later. I'm gonna eat a thigh.
I wonder how their chicken's made.
And what do you mean? Like the recipe?
Look like it's fried at the restaurant.
I think it is.
So. I should have been a mukbanger. You just get money for eating.
What is a mukbang? Actually, I've seen. Is this just like people eating like a bunch of food, right?
Yeah.
On camera.
I don't even think it has to be a bunch of food. I think it's just eating. Oh shoot.
What are we gonna do with the sauces? Actually, we can probably put them in.
Oh, why don't we put them in the box?
Yeah.
Is there a space here?
That's a good idea.
I can't see into the box.
Just place it. Alright, I'm gonna try the hot sauce. It's the hot sauce on the chicken. See what that's
Is
like.
it just like Tabasco?
I think it is. I think it's supposed to be. Let's see.
Okay, I said that was gonna be my last piece, but let's see what else we got going here. What's this? The breast?
Yeah, I like already took off part. This is a small piece. It's a wing.
Thanks. Uh-oh. It's so clean. That's when you know it's good, when all the meat just falls off. I was supposed to be on a soup cleanse this week.
Yeah, I just couldn't resist the unhealthy eating.
Now I'm eating fried chicken in parking lot. Is this a new low or a new high? Probably a new high.
Yeah. What's the point, you know?
How's the sauce?
For which one? The hot sauce?
Mhm.
You can try it.
Was it like Tabasco?
Yeah.
How do people eat in their cars? They must not give a crap about the mess.
Yeah. Some people get those, I don't know,
Counter
just
things.
counter, yeah. They put on your steering wheel.
That was good too. Oops, 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 oops. Ah! Okay. Now I'm officially done.
Until another 4 hours from now.
Yeah. He got strawberry pie, which I don't understand because it's like a hot pocket.
And it's like the McDonald's pies.
I've never had one of those.
Really?
Really?
That's McDonald's apple pie?
Mm-mm.
Ever?
But I don't like apple pie or pie.
I'm gonna have to take a bite of this then. I'm gonna have to.
You like pie?
Yeah. Pretty good.
Oh. Okay.
Let me pull it out.
Oh my god, there's so much chicken. Crumbs. Fried crumbs. Good stuff.
So what's a rating you'd give it compared to something?
Well, I haven't had fried chicken in years, so I don't know.
What about
Okay,
you?
so let's say this crispiness was pretty gosh darn good. The excuse me. The chicken itself was very moist. The flavor was good. Yeah, it wasn't. I actually couldn't tell that it was spicy. Could you?
If you try the original, you can.
Oh.
There's like a little bit of a kick to this.
Oh. Well, then I worry about the original. And
Did it meet your expectations?
I expected this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I've consumed fried chicken in other ways in the last 10 years, which is through watching videos. So I feel like I knew what to expect. But yeah, it was really good. I think the only thing is, I think it could have been crunchier. Maybe? What do you think? But I also don't want the batter to be super thick.
Yeah.
I think it was good.
I didn't see the crunchy part of it.
Mhm.
Could have been.
But
a
I
little
think
crunchier.
I think it could have been crunchier if they just like cooked it for a little bit longer.
But yeah, I'd say overall, as far as like fast food expectations, I wouldn't expect it to be like much more.
Oh yeah. For fast food, this is great.
But yeah, I mean, definitely could be worse. I
Like
just think,
this, if you put this on a plate and gave it to me and told me it was homemade, I'd believe you. Again, I don't know much about fried chicken, so maybe that's insulting to like people in the South. But if you said this was homemade, I believe you. Whereas like if you took a McDonald's burger on a plate, I would not think it was homemade at all.
yeah, I could agree with that. I could see this being like
Yeah.
someone's homemade recipe.
Yeah. But that is, the same goes for Culver's burgers. Like, I could see that being homemade.
Yeah.
But I think the difference there is just, is it made in the store versus is it, like, prepared in any sort of way? Like, McDonald's, they just have it frozen. Or cook it. Or heat it up. You know?
Yeah.
Make sure to drink your water. This is a lot of salt. A lot of salt.
True. Now I'm gonna.
I'm gonna go on a walk after this.
What about the pie?
I will say, it wasn't super greasy at all, actually.
Yeah, actually, that's a plus.
That is a very good plus. Like, I think I got a little bit of grease in my pants, but
Yeah, it wasn't like
but
dripping
out of
with
all
grease or
of the crumbs I dropped on myself, I only got, I think, one speck of oil.
something. Yeah.
So it doesn't make me feel gross.
Yeah.
I only feel gross because I ate a lot of it, but not because it's greasy.
Yeah.
I mean, it is greasy, but not excessively greasy.
Yeah, like my fingers are like a little oily, but it's not like.
Yeah.
I can't mess with my hands.
Yeah.
Okay.
It didn't drench the paper towel I was using, or the napkin I was using with oil.
All right, now this is a pie.
Excuse me.
Sort.
What kind of pie? Strawberry?
Like that. It's like a little pocket of dough. I'll let you take the first bite.
Okay, I'll just have one. Oh, it's warm.
It's a little. Which one's your water?
What's yours? That's fine. I'm really picky about sweet things.
You just got the cream cheese pie.
Yeah, I did actually. That's what it is. It's cream cheese. See, the savory equivalent of this is a wonton, which I like way more.
This is like a wonton. Yeah, it's like a sweet
Yeah.
wonton.
I wasn't expecting this to be fried also. I thought it was like baked.
Yeah. That's the difference between this and McDonald's. McDonald's is baked, and this is fried. But I actually think I like this exterior more.
Yeah, I don't really like
How's that desserty?
warm fruit. Run out of water. Gosh, wow, you have a lot of crumbs on you. So it means you've been enjoying the meal.
That it has. That is true. Yeah. Anyway.
Who's calling me with an unknown number?
This is good. I think compared to a McDonald's strawberry and cream pie, McDonald's pie might have a better filling, I think. But I like the exterior.
I was looking for my phone.
I
was like, I don't get it. Where's my phone? That's embarrassing.
Anyway, this has been a 20-minute video.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
Solid. All right. Peace.
Peace out.